Okay, making Finley by Amour in melted cinnamon, my own. First I put it on. Make sure the front lace is lined up and the ear tabs lined up. Run my fingers through it. Now I take a rat tail of a comb or a brush and just mess up that part a little bit. I think it looks more natural. Combing through it. Now I take some John Renault Peace Out cream. My friend V loves this stuff and it really works great. I massage it into the fibers at the crown. Just get it all messed up and get some volume up there. Get the fibers off the cap, looking more natural. Now I want to get some lift at the front off of my face, a little bit more of that Peace Out cream. And you really don't need much of it, just a little bit. There we go, lift on both sides, love that. Now I'm going to take that rat tail comb again and pull my hair out at the sides, making it look more natural and like the hair is coming out of my head. And that's it.